Hi everyone, how are you? I hope you all have a good health. Today we have another package. Let's take a look. Okay, I think we have another Game Boy. What is it? We have something here. Oh, another missing battery cover, unfortunately. Also, it has no screen. I will take it apart to take a look. What else we have here? Okay. A backlight mod. I think this one will work with Game Boy Color. No, it's designed for Game Boy Pocket. It's an amplifier. Also, we have a backlight mod. Let's take it apart to take a look. I will use Aromax screwdriver and this bit. Okay. Okay, as you see, we have a screen. Okay. What is this? Let's leave this wire and take a look. Okay. We have a damaged ribbon cable for this LCD. Could we fix this? I don't think so. I think we have to find another replacement LCD for this device. Yeah. So until the next episode, until the next video, stay safe and see you. Thank you for watching.